Again, Colossal Bird 4041. We are full good luck dice roll. We're going 9 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, 9 here, 9 here. Cowboys up top. Giants at the bottom. 9 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 here. 9 here. Nate up top. Nate at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Cowboys did not sort. They're at the top. The Colossal Bird. Good luck. Again, the Colossal. Good luck, good luck. All right, all right. These cards out of here. Empty box. Empty case. First up. Gem Mint 10 Joe Burrow. Out of second year, it's 21 Phoenix Blue. That is 35 out of 35. A last on print on the Burrow PSA 10 Bengals. And Paulie Watoon. I sit there. Paulie next up. Jordan Love Gem Mint 10 for the Green Bay Packers. Out of Mosaic Camo Pink for Cody Basinger. Gem Mint 10, Jordan Love, Mosaic Rook. Going to Cody. Jahan Dotson, Immaculate RPA. It's a big card. 7 out of 99 going to Washington. And Nate Smith. Again, Jahan Dotson out of iMac. To 99 on the RPA. And the last one, Prism RPA of Breece Hall. The New York Jets. And Nate Smith again. Breece Hall RPA. That is 28 out of 49 out of Prism. That's a pretty big card as well. Again, so let's recap it. Again, you got the Breece Hall to 49 on the Prism RPA going to Nate and the Jets. Jahan Dotson going to Nate and the Commanders. Jordan Love, Gem Mint 10, Rook, going to the Packers and Cody. And Joe Burrow, Blue, Phoenix, 35 out of 35, Gem Mint 10, going to Paulie Watoon and the Bengals. And that is the Colossal, guys. Thanks for the fill.